Hello guys, all welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm gonna tell you my top 5 products which I use for my skin, which helps me to have this glowy skin every time. So yeah, if you really wanna know, then just dive into it. So the first product I'm using is this Clinique Moisture Surge, and it's a 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator, and I really love it because firstly the texture is amazing and secondly it's gel based. So yeah, for people like me who have an oily skin tone, then this is a savior guys, and I would highly recommend you guys to buy it and you will see the result. It's not like that you'll see the result in 15 days or in a month, but yeah, it will take some time. You need to at least finish a bottle of it to see how hydrating your face looks after it. So yeah, this is the first thing and I love it. The second product is this O3 cream, and it's an eye circle cream, and I'm using it for around I guess 3-4 months now, and I'm really loving it because you know what, in one go you can't just judge a product. You need to try it for some time to get a review on it and to make sure that yeah, it's a really nice product. So this one is a thumbs up from my side because it actually helped me remove the dark circles. And even guys, I used to have a dull skin over my eyelids earlier, but now because of this cream I can actually see a difference. It's not like a very drastic difference, but yeah, there is a slight difference. So if you also want to go for such a thing, then yeah, this is the one. And I don't know the price because it's like 3-4 months now I'm using it, so maybe it's around 500, but worth it because you can use it for 3 to 4 months in a go with just a tube, and it's a very piece size. You just need to use this much of your cream, and yeah, you just need to massage it. Whenever you wash your face, put a moisturizer. Along with that, always put a cream, always use this cream, and yeah, you are good to go. So the third thing is this Innisfree Bridger Trouble Skin, and it's for people who have acne and pigmentation like me, and it actually helped me to get rid of it. You know what, some acne are like very troublesome, they'll come, you can't do anything, but other than that it actually helped me reduce that, and it's very easy to use. You don't have to do anything. Every time you wash your face, just dab it onto your skin. So yeah, there are 2 ways of using it. First, you can just take it onto your palms, just rub a bit and just dab it onto your skin, and the other way is put in a cotton and yeah, then dab it on your skin. It's totally your choice, any way you want to do. I use both the ways, whatever is feasible for me at that time. So but yeah, this is a very nice thing, and yeah, I would highly recommend everybody to try it once. So this is the fourth product I'm using, and it's a very nice repair serum guys. It's an advanced night repair, and you just need to use it at night. Whenever you wash your face, just dab it onto your skin, take a few droplets on your fingertips, massage it and just dab it onto your skin. It's very hydrating, and also guys, it's very good for you if you have those acne spots and pigmentation all over your face. It's a savior for that, and I'm using it for this purpose only. And the second thing you can use it for is your makeup. Yes guys, you heard it right. What you need to do is whenever you apply your makeup, instead of using any other serum, you can use this. It will not only repair your skin but also help you to get that glowy and hydrating effect. So for me, it's a very nice one, and you'll know, I know that it's a bit on a pricey side, but guys, for your skin, I really feel you need to spend a bit of money because after all, it's about your skin. Your skin always need to look healthy and flawless. For that, you need to buy something like this, but there are a lot of ml which comes in it. For example, you have like 10 ml or 7 ml also. So for that, you can just, for a matter of fact, what you can do is just try the smaller one. I guess it's for 1000 or 900 rupees, so not that much, and it will also last you for a month for sure, because I have first tried the mini one, then I ordered with this one. So yeah, if you also want to go that way, then you can definitely go that way, and this will actually help you to know that even it works for your skin or not, and if it works, then how wonderful it is. So for me, it's a very nice product and I give a big thumbs up to it. So guys, this is the last product in my skincare routine, and it's a glow mask, and I know everybody just love using the glow mask, and it's like trending everywhere right now. Everybody is like, I use this glow mask, that glow mask, and it's just going all over the social media websites. So yeah, this one is from Beautyco and I'm really loving it. What you need to do is just apply it whenever you are going to bed. Just apply it all over your face and keep it for around 30 minutes, because this one takes a hell lot of time to get dried up, but it gives a really good hydrating effect on your skin and a glow to your face. I'll just open and let you know how it looks. So guys, this is how it looks. You can see you have glitter all over, and yeah, the smell is to die for. It's so good. It's almost like having a perfume. And one bad thing about it is like it gives a bit of tingling effect on your face after you apply it, but it just gets rid of for around like 2 or 3 minutes later. You will not feel that tingling effect. It's for just the starting thing, so not an issue at all. And but yeah, it gives a very nice glow to your face. I just tell you how to use this mask. So the direction to use is apply an even layer on your cleansed skin, relax with the mask on for few minutes, and the few minutes are not few minutes here. You need to relax for 30 to 40 minutes, and yeah, after that gently peel it off from the edges and wash the leftover to reveal your detox skin. So it's very important guys to wash your face after you peel it off, because otherwise you will tend to get acne on the next day, and I have felt the same thing. So that's my recommendation to you, that always water your face after using the peel off mask, because it actually helps to get rid of all the dirt which the mask has pulled off from your skin. Otherwise, it's a very nice product and I really love it. That's it to the video guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any other recommendations for me, like what all products I should review for you in the next video related to skincare or makeup as well, then do let me know in the comment section below. And yes guys, don't forget the drill: like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, love you.